DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, is a molecule that carries the genetic instructions used in the development and functioning of all known living organisms. It is a long, double-stranded helical structure composed of building blocks called nucleotides. Each nucleotide consists of three components: a sugar molecule, deoxyribose, a phosphate group, and a nitrogenous base. The structure of DNA is often described as a double helix. The two strands are held together by hydrogen bonds between complementary nitrogenous bases. There are four types of nitrogenous bases in DNA: adenine, A, thymine, T, cytosine, C, and guanine, G. Adenine always pairs with thymine, AT, and cytosine always pairs with guanine, CG. This pairing is known as complementary base pairing. The function of DNA is to store and transmit genetic information. The sequence of nucleotide bases along the DNA molecule forms the genetic code, which determines the specific traits and characteristics of an organism. The genetic code is read in groups of three bases called codons. Each codon codes for a specific amino acid, which are the building blocks of proteins. DNA replication is a crucial process in which the DNA molecule is duplicated. It occurs before cell division and ensures that each new cell receives an identical copy of the genetic information. During replication, the DNA double helix unwinds, and each strand serves as a template for the synthesis of a new complementary strand. The result is two identical DNA molecules, each consisting of one original strand and one newly synthesized strand. DNA also undergoes transcription and translation, collectively known as gene expression, to produce proteins. In transcription, a section of DNA is copied into a molecule called RNA, ribonucleic acid. This RNA molecule, called messenger RNA, mRNA, carries the genetic information from the DNA to the ribosomes, where protein synthesis occurs. In translation, the mRNA is read by the ribosomes, and the sequence of codons is decoded to assemble a specific sequence of amino acids, forming a protein. Overall, the structure of DNA allows it to store and transmit genetic information, while its function is to serve as a template for the synthesis of RNA and proteins, which are essential for the growth, development, and functioning of living organisms.